to 0.05, that means the relationship may be what? That variable may not be what? As such a determinant variable. But if it is nearer to 0, that means there is significant difference. That means when I say this, the dependent variable can be what? A strong predictor of what? The independent variable in that case.
The other way around.
Yes?
The other way around.
That means the independent variable. The independent variable is the predictor.
Yeah.
That one is the predicted variable. The other is this methodology part, multiple linear regression. Your data types are qualitative and quantitative. What I have taken it, as I have said that there are both qualitative and quantitative data types. But in my research work, I have used a Likert type scale. And the Likert type scale, 5 points are there. The agree, disagree, strongly disagree, and the neutral part is there. I have given weight for this in order to quantify the data. Of course, there are some theorists, they have reservation on the Likert scale, Likert type scale. Likert type scale is not as such, it's not a scale to be quantified. Some theorists say so, but in our case and in our textbook, business research book, it says we can quantify a Likert scale, and some different books can give a witness for this. So I make it that one. I quantify it, and because of that, I conducted. I use the multiple linear. The other quantitative data, sample size, population size is not mentioned. I have said, implementation, I have used a multi-stage sampling technique. When you see a multi-stage sampling technique, a multi-stage sampling technique is relatively biased as compared to what? Other sampling techniques. And if you don't have a finite population, I don't have a finite population. Even if I don't have a finite population, the size of the population is very large. So whatever type of whatever the size of the data is that, it may not be manageable. For example, I may take a large sample size, but it may not be manageable because the time duration was short. Because of that, I prefer multi-stage sampling technique, and no need to mention the population size. It is large, and the sample size will never be a representative for that. In this kind of situation, theorists recommend the multi-stage sampling technique or sequential stage sampling technique. The last question regarding symptoms, switching customer relationship. Are they the only reasons? Of course, there might be different reasons. But in the service sector, what is the critical element is what? The relationship that we are going to maintain. As a service business, there is a direct contact between the service taker and the service provider. If your approach is not good, if your approach is not positive, with no doubt, your customers may shift to another bank. So it is a critical element. Because of that, I put it in that direction.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Faye, for your response. And the end of our presentation, his presentation was customer relationship management practice in Bank of Abyssinia based on the symptoms he observed from different sources, from public media and others. He tries to disprove or prove the factors that we have, and use different methodologies, descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Based on that, the Bank of Abyssinia fails to have a good customer relationship management practice, and he recommended, based on that finding, he